Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Breville BFP638 Paradice 9 cup food processor, which is a compact yet powerful kitchen appliance designed for precision dicing, slicing, shredding, and dough preparation. It promises the professional level performance in a smaller footprint. So if you are thinking about upgrading your food processor, you can just check out the link of it in the description box below. So the Breville Paradice 9 is built for versatility. It features 9 cup capacity bowl, a high torque motor, and Breville's standout precision dicing kit capable of producing the uniform cubes with impressive consistency. If you regularly prepare for the salads, soups, and meal preparation ingredients, this feature alone is a big advantage. It also includes the color-coded accessories like a reversible shredder, justiciable slicer, dough blade, and more. The color system makes the setup very simple and reduces the guesswork, especially for the beginners. One of the most practical features is the 2-in-1 wide feed chute, which allows you to process the larger ingredients with minimal pre-cutting. During testing, the slicing dense vegetables and kneading dough felt effortless. The motor doesn't struggle even under the heavier loads. Another highlight is the integrated storage caddy, which neatly stores all the attachments inside the unit. That's a huge plus for the organization, especially in the kitchens where the drawers space is very limited. Now, for the downside, while marketed as compact, it's still fairly sustainable or substantial once the storage caddy is attached. The bowl and the lid are durable but slightly heavier than some competitors. And price wise, it sits above many standard 9 cup processors. However, the 30-year motor warranty is a major value point. That level of confidence from the brand suggests long term durability. So if you value the precision, dicing, strong motor performance, and premium build quality, this particular product absolutely stand out. But if you just need basic chopping and slicing, there are more budget friendly options available. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.